All of the masonry you see behind you, all of Roger Biggard's great Abbey church has been here since at least the end of the 1260s. Since the dissolution, it's been unroofed and gradually exposed to decay and erosion. So Tintern has hit a particular point. It's heavily stabilised, conserved in the early 20th century, but it's got a history of repairs going back to probably the 18th century under the Dukes of Beaufort. The biggest early interventions are by the early offices of state, the Office of Woods, Office of Works, Ministry of Works, prior to Cadw in the first half of the 20th century, which saw some really ambitious things being done. The problem we're facing at Tintern now is that we have mortar that is harder than the very soft local sandstone that the walls are built of. So when the wall heads become unstable, the water works its way down through the walls and it needs to get out somewhere. Because it can't get out through the joints in the masonry, the cracks between the stones, it's coming out through the faces of the stones. So you get this lamination effect, like onion skin. Over the last decade or so, we've noticed an acceleration in it. And this is the reason that this end of the church is now shut off to the public temporarily for public safety. You can see barrier fencing here. What we don't want, whether it's the size of your fingernail or the size of my fist, if it lands on your head from height, you're in a mess. These are 30, 35 metre high walls, higher at the gables, and it'll make a bit of a mess of whatever it lands on.